In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend an image in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, select that specific image, and then you want to go to Pixel up top, and here under the Move tool, you actually have two options. If you click down on this arrow or just long hold the Move tool, you'll be able to see two different things, the Mesh Warp tool and the Perspective tool. So, to bend the image, select, for example, the Perspective tool, and then this will basically allow you to create a perspective, so you can change the angles over here, and you can bend the image that way. So as you can see, this is now pretty much changing the perspective of this specific image I have over here, and you can of course bend it and make it however you want. That's the first thing you can do. Now the second one is you can use the Mesh Warp tool, which will allow you a lot more customization, where you can basically just drag this around and bend it and create the image however you want it to look like and however you want it to be. Okay, so you can make it as weird as you want over here, and then you can of course adapt different angles as well, like this, go in, out. You can pretty much make whatever you wish out of your specific image. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.